Smallest everyday carry. EDCK. Barely bigger than an 18650 battery here. How bright can it be?
And for this build, we'll be using a Cree HXP 70.2, one of the brightest LEDs on the market, and we're going to put it in a modified P60 drop-in. See, I filed it down so it would screw in and give me an excellent thermal path to the body, keep things running cool. This is the Mountain Electronics driver board, which has been modified to handle over 6 volts. Now here you can see we upgraded to a more powerful battery system, producing the required 6 volts to run it. And these are capable of 9 amps discharge, so that should give me more power, which is why the light is considerably brighter. The first light here is running the same emitter or LED, but it's running batteries with a little less amp hours or amps. So we'll see what the results are. See, it's bright enough to shine through my hand. Mobile X-ray device. Here we can see the first light with about 4,000 lums, and then the new light here showing at about 8,000 lums. You can see it's about twice as bright. Couldn't resist doing a few fog shots here. Lucky enough to have a foggy day. See, it looks pretty cool. And you might be wondering, is it brighter than a street light? I think it is. You tell me. I'm just annihilating them. Here was a little impromptu experiment with a 5-inch reflector. Decided to move the LED into it to see what kind of long shots I could get. And this turned out pretty good too.
Low, medium, high. Yeah, that's pretty damn bright.